If anyone out there wants to know why my new nickname is Terry the Tornado Dog, the reason is because I like tornadoes and dogs. That's simple. Duh. Nah, just kidding. But yeah, it's true. I think tornadoes and dogs are cool, but crazy. You never know what they're gonna do. And I like to spin around at my job like Michael Jackson or James Brown. And get down, you know, and like a helicopter. You know, when you combine all of that together, and God gets the glory. Forgive me this new idea. I could be part superhero, part cyborg, part man, part machine, and part pro wrestler. 3 as 1. Yep. So I want to be original, do my own thing. Also, the famous cartoon Taz. Remember Taz? The Tasmanian Devil a long time ago on the Looney Tunes. Let me see if I can show y'all a picture. He inspires me too. He was funny. Hold on. Looks like this. He was funny back in the day. I need a good laugh. But yeah, I like dogs. Different type of dogs, like a pug and a Great Dane, like Scooby-Doo. And the list goes on. Wolf dogs, and plus you got cyclones, tornadoes. You know, they're like tornadoes, but they're over water. Regular tornadoes is over land. Got hurricanes, so much to keep in mind, you know. Thank the Lord for all these ideas mixed together. I like cyborgs like RoboCop and Terminator and Inspector Gadget. Yeah, the list goes on. So I'm gonna stop it there. Y'all have